friends, I'm Miss Andrea and today I want to show you how to make a flower with twisty balloons. So what do you need? You need 3 balloons, and for today I have blue and purple and yellow. They need to be the same size, and then you will need a pump and you will need to inflate them. Okay? So when you inflate them, you will need to leave at the top of your balloon some space so it's not gonna pop. So for all of them, I left about 2 inches space at the top, like this, and this one like that. All right. We are gonna start with the petals, and for the petals, after you have inflated your balloons, the first thing you need to do is to hide them. All right. So you're gonna get your the first petal, and you're gonna bring them together like that. And we're gonna make a little knot. Alright. And then the next one, we have this one. You bring it like that. And here, we tie them together. So you see, this is why I'm using the top of the balloon to tie it more easily. And now we have 2 circles. The 2 circles, we are going to put them together like that with the parts that we have tied on your right hand. You are going to grab this part with your right hand. Then you are going to measure about a third in the length of the balloons here. So you have a third here. And you are going to bring this part here to here. Alright, so ready? You're gonna do it just like that, and now you're gonna twist them together again, and you're gonna have something that looks like a butterfly. Yay! Pretty butterfly. All right. All right. Now you're gonna put them together like that, and you need to make the other set of petals. So here you grab them. You're gonna bring this part here, and you're gonna twist it all together. All right. So here is how I have it, and here, and twist them like that, all together. Here we go. Now I'm going to arrange them a little bit. So I have blue and the purple alternate. Alright. So here is my flower. Next, we are going to work with the stem. With the stem, you are going to start with the top of the balloon, and here you will need to make like a little bubble, like a round bubble for the middle of your flower. Right here, so I'm doing it like that. Here, just a little bit, just a pop of color for ours. And now you want to put this little color in the middle of the balloon, and you are going to bring it all the way to the back. So here is my flower. So now we have our little balloon here, our little flower here, and you are going to work with the stem. Alright, so for the stem, you need to make like the stem and 2 leaves. So for the leaves, you are going to make a Z shape. So I'm bringing it one time like that, and one time like that. And you are going to grab them here and twist them. So here we have the leaves, and here we have the flower. Alright. flower balloon, and I made several of them. I made one with pink here. Oh, and I have another one here. All right. So I hope you enjoyed our craft. I have a whole bouquet. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our twisty balloon project. And I hope you have a great summer. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.